What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to quickly show you how to permanently delete your Snapchat account from your mobile device. Now, in order to do this, you're actually going to open up the Snapchat app, and then you're going to hit your profile picture in the upper left-hand corner, and then the settings icon in the upper right-hand corner. And then once you scroll down towards the middle, you should see a category that says support, and then at the top of support, you're going to click under I need help. And there's a bunch of different options here, but you're going to scroll down to the first drop-down menu, or the second drop-down menu, which says My Account and Security. And then you're eventually going to see a headline about 4 down that says Delete My Account. Now it's going to give you a bunch of information here about deleting your account. You have 30 days to recover it before it's permanently deleted, and also some help if you want to change your mind and reactivate it. But you're going to actually hit the blue text right under how to delete your Snapchat account, which says Accounts Portal. And it's going to take you to a place where you could just log in real quick, and then from there you could just delete your account. And like I said, once you hit that continue button, you still have 30 days to recover it if you change your mind. But if you do nothing after those 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. If you had any questions or were confused by this tutorial, don't hesitate to leave a comment, because I will get back to you as soon as possible and we could resolve that issue. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also read the description, because there's very important information that you wouldn't want to miss.